Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we have provide TP-Link Tapo outdoor and indoor Wi-Fi security camera setup and installation process. Let's start. First, download the TP-Link Tapo app from the App Store or Google Play Store. You can scan the QR code from here. Then open the Tapo app and log in with your TP-Link ID. If you don't have TP-Link ID, create one first. Now click on the plus icon located in the top right side, and tap Add Devices on the Tapo app. Then search for your Tapo security camera device model. Now, plug in your camera into a power outlet, and wait about 40 seconds until the LED blinks red and green. Click Already Red and Green option, and go to the next step. In the next step, go to your phone's or tablet's Wi-Fi settings, and join your camera's wireless network. That should be the wireless network, Tapo_cam_XXXX. Then again, return to the Tapo app. It will start searching for your wireless camera. This process may take 30 seconds to 90 seconds. After the camera is found, connect the Tapo camera to your home Wi-Fi network and enter the Wi-Fi password. Now, click Join on the pop-up window, and it will start pairing your camera. Make sure the LED stays solid on during the pairing. Click Join on the pop-up window, and it will start pairing your camera. Make sure the LED stays solid on during the pairing process. When the pairing process is complete, give your Tapo camera a unique name and set a location for easy identification. Click Next to complete the setup. Now you will see the complete page. That means the camera is successfully added, and tap Done to start using your camera. I hope this will help you to set up the Tapo indoor and outdoor camera. If you face any type of issue during setup process, or you need any kind of assistance, then you can reach us.